Everybody met with Low Cash Homestead. So up off there in the distance, I got 3 of my boys learning how to use a very small chainsaw, a little 4-cycle pole saw. I have a Grainworks one, but the battery's dead. So they're actually afraid of chainsaws. But I'm getting them going on like a little 8-inch, 33cc 4-stroke pole saw. Getting some of this deadfall cut up, and we're going to chuck it in a fire while I'm burning out a stump. It's one of the things we're doing today. Just met with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Teaching some of my boys to get out here and use tools. I would have my girls out here using tools too, except they got in trouble. So they're grounded inside the house. Not to mention it's a little bit cold, but more or less they're grounded inside the house.
Okay, hey guys, we made a fire. Got the apple trees and everything, which we were hoping will not burn. Sprayed the hose down, sprayed the ground down a little bit around the fire. Right now, let's get a good angle of the fire. We are throwing wood into the fire. My little brother. Hello. And so we cut these stumps up with the pole. Dad's over there tilling the ground out. And then we took the chainsaw and put squares in these so it'd burn down easier. But basically what we're doing right now is, well, I'll have to show you guys. Come on, John. Let's show them you're shooting the wood into there. My little brother. And another one made! Oh, that one he missed. Okay, come on. That's what I'm saying. I hope these apple trees don't burn and stuff. We got some pretty good hand, and we knock on wood. Okay. So today's cutting up wood. Pole saw. We've got wheelbarrow, cutting them up and throwing it. And basically what we're doing now is taking it, get it in there. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna have Xavier be the little cameraman here for a minute. Get your hand out of the screen. Okay, just record, okay?
Okay. Hi, Say.
What's up, John?
Doing good. So we got Jose cutting the wood off, Dalton breaking them and putting them in the thing. Look at that. And we got this, the wood. Look at that. Look at fire going low. We need a big, right guys?
Yeah. Okay. So with this one right here, we're just about done cutting up those. We do have some wood down there, but currently for a different project. This is currently for a different project. We have some stumps, a little tree. Then down here is basically where that tree is always falling at. And we actually took from this stuff, this wood, and made mushroom. We grow mushrooms now. Low Cash Homestead grows mushrooms, y'all. And I thought it was really cool that my dad decided to take and just get the idea of buying the mushroom spores and getting and using those for mushrooms. Now, mushrooms there aren't a whole lot right now, and what we had last time was actually a pretty decent amount. Now, with everything going on, we are doing Nexus schooling, or we're doing online school right now. So basically, whenever me and Jose finish schoolwork, everybody say to Jose, everyone say hello to Jose up there. After we actually finish schoolwork, my dad has us come out here and work. We built composter with chicken coop. Okay, don't know why the other video cut off. But after me and Jose actually finish our online school, we basically have, and we come out here and help our dad on the farm. What happened to the chainsaw? Don't tell me you broke the chainsaw like you broke the axe, bro.
It came out of alignment.
Well, there you go, another tool Jose's broken today. Don't go take it to dad and have him put it back in alignment.
He's probably gonna have me do it.
Is what we're doing. But we actually used to go up and our science teacher, Ms. Peppers, actually used to watch these, so I mean, I don't know if she still watches them, but just a whole bunch of trees with dead branches that we're cutting, everything that's fallen, piles of just dead and broken up branches. Yeah, because we live out here in the sticks, there's stumps. We go up here and wood that we actually cut up and piled. And we were going to use this post. I don't know if it's a post hole. I think it is. But we need a new battery for it because the battery goes right here in this compartment. And when we take it over, we actually took it over here to the battery charger, and the battery don't work anymore. So I mean, it kind of sucked when we found out we had to use the other one because that one starts by this. There's a little compartment in the back. You stick in, like that, get it started. Baby kitty, baby kitty. But yeah, like I said, I mean, we get our lessons done for a day on our online school, and then we go and we can basically do a lot of other things. We come here to help Dad, just anything really after we do our online school finish. Another kitty following me. That one's Fluff Ball. Say hello, Fluffy Ball. But I'm pretty sure my grandpa made, or my dad actually, I call him Dad, made a vlog for the channel about online school, which is pretty decent. It has some flaws. No, you don't reveal too much because privacy. But I got some friends, like, got a couple friends. We had to fix it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, man, you broke it. I ain't about to get another 5 holes in my hand.
Come
on. Okay, well,
I'm recording.
catch you when. We'll catch you when we start fixing this.
Hey, Wes.
Okay, so my little brother here wanted to, while we were in the garage doing everything, getting the chainsaws fixed, wanted to show the dirt bikes. So, I mean, there we are.
I got them for Christmas.
We got them for Christmas, Coleman. And then Xavier's. Ours combos. And basically, what we're doing now, Xavier, here, hold the camera.
Don't undo that nut with pliers.
Okay.
Press the wrench or
There's Dad.
wrench.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud.
I'm recording.
Okay, well don't run out all the memory though, okay?
No, we just.
Fine. So yeah, take this off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, here's John. Look at that.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to my battery on there.
That big old spider.
Take this cover off.
Spider. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So this has a.
Okay, guys. So they are currently fixing the chainsaw. The thing was filled with sawdust. My brother, Dad, and my little brother. And we are currently going to over here and check the fire, make sure everything's sprayed down right. I mean, that might need a little bit more wood here. Let's check. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, that's hot. Woo! Hot doggy. So what we're just gonna do is take some wood, the log. Here, I want you to film, Bubs. How about you take the camera for a minute?
So he's getting.
I am currently taking the wood that me and Jose kind of wanting to cut up.
Cut up? Look where I cut up. No, kitty! You didn't see that, okay? I covered the screen so they couldn't see that. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay. So here. There's Kitty. Acting all crazy. Kitty, do you have any words? Words for the public. You're going on YouTube, cat. Star right there. Okay. So, let's take this hose. And we are going to... So I'm gonna... What we do is take and just spray the around. Whoa. Just spray around to get it to, well, basically just because safety is basically the only reason that we do is because once that, here, I'll just show you guys. You can probably see that that fire right there started getting a little bit out of control and started burning the edges, so we had to spray it down. And now, with all the wood we have, I mean, over here, me and my big brother, Jose, took and did this. He actually broke the axe today because we were cutting up tree branches and it broke the axe. We did that yesterday with machete, axe, and sledgehammer. I cut this boy in half with one swing with that gigantic axe. Just like Thor swung it. It's a pretty decently heavy log. You look at it. Watch out. On top on it. I cut that thing in half with one hit, surprisingly. I think it was because I've got it partially where it was rotted, and I just falls over. But, just wanted to show you guys what we're doing today. Make a quick vid, because all of this, crazy COVID thing going on. We're in online school. We got...
See a little brown goose?
Yeah, we showed them the spider. We got a lot of crazy things going on. And so, starting to get a little chilly. And so what we're doing is taking, and just cutting down dead trees, or cutting down branches of dead trees, actually with the pole saw. Throwing them in the fire. We got a wheelbarrow full. We got a fire bin. And one more thing I want to show you guys before we finish the video. Okay, so let's come over. This is one of them. One thing my dad did today, he tilled the HE double hockey sticks out of this ground with that tiller. I don't see how he does it, honestly. He's got a lot more strength than me. Just pretty hard. And then composter, chicken tractors, composter. Jose and my dad built this. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from in here. Okay. Okay. So here we are. There's basically just so much that my grandpa has done, and especially with us starting everything up, and with the winter coming, we got greenhouse, well, high tunnel, cat tunnel. We got to tackle that log next. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to make a quick video today. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Turn on that notification bell. Do everything you possibly can to help support the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Recording a video, Xavier?
Yeah, look at Dad's car. I'm going to show you what's behind Dad's car.
John, watch it. Or like this. Okay. It's right there. It's filled with wood. Okay. John's currently kind of. John's just filming.
Okay, don't run out all my memory, buddy.
I'm not. Buzz, whoa. Buzz, show me your front flip.
Okay, hold on.
Before you go throwing that in there,
I already
making
saw
fire
just
stuff.
up.
Well, no. Listen. Before you throw that in there, while it's still close, while it's still like still stand next to it, pick up all the wood and stuff it in there. That'd be a good idea to get a pair of gloves.
Coming over here, John?
Yeah.
Film?
Yeah. Show me your front flip.
Well, I didn't do that because I didn't want it. I didn't know if you guys were going to the garden.
Smoke gas is not going to hurt anything.
Okay. We showed him what you tilled too.
What? Oh, okay, good. That's good enough for now. As it burns down, we're going to take out. We'll spread the ashes from the outside. That log over there that was nice. That what? Those logs over there, that's nice. Yeah, we'll get you it.
It's recording? Okay. No, it's not filming. Okay, so, okay. Hold the camera like this. Okay, so we're back, and we got more that's dead. But you know what else? I also found the hideous beast. Not dead. Hey. Okay, hun, there's a kitty coming for us. Hello, kitty. What I find surprising is another thing that Mr. Homestead did. I'm not going to say his name because I don't know if he would like that. But what he did was took all of these, just back up so you can see that full frame. Nice job right there. Took all of those logs
Big truck.
and cut them all to the same size from all this, from all those trees down there that were taken down, and cut them, and then wood piles, scraps. That's just another thing that I find impossible to do. I mean, like, I'm 12. I'm in 5th grade. My birthday falls at a weird time. So, okay. So what we're gonna do, hold on. Jose. Okay, so we're gonna sit this right here. You get some good, cutting down some trees.
John, get the cat away.
I need you, Buzz.
Kitty climbing a tree?
Mm-hmm. Oh! Little kitty?
Okay, why don't you take that kitty back down to the garage? She doesn't need to be up here by the chainsaw. Whoa, that's a crazy kitty. Cut it. See, I couldn't even break that thing, and the chainsaw's barely getting through it. And that's one thin piece of wood, y'all. wow. Now I'm saying wow.
What?
Now I'm saying wow, I said. Okay. So we're gonna go down here and just look for more dead trees and things, and we'll catch you guys when we find some more.
Okay, I'm gonna run
No, bring that down. Bring her down to her mom now. Okay, so this video just keeps cutting out, so I'm just gonna get to the chase. Right there and around is a whole bunch of some dead stuff. You can see stuff falling too. Well, yeah, I think so. We've got this bad boy right here. I can probably just rip that off on.
It stops again.
I got it.
Stops again.
Ripped it off perfectly.
Hot.
Take it down, put the drill in it, and then start it up.
No, stop, like. Oh. No.
Okay. So, I mean, what have y'all been doing through the whole pandemic, coronavirus? Let us know that in the comments. Please tell us what y'all been doing, because out here when we live far away from everybody, there's not that much to do. But as you can probably see, there's a four-wheel over there. That's not ours, but we got the mini bikes, so we just drive those all day every time we come out.
Usually.
Yeah. So here, just go grab the drill.
It's not working. I think I'm out of gas. Like up here. Like stop. That doesn't work.
Why doesn't it work?
Old. You know what a pair of gloves is? I need a pair of gloves. I need a pair of gloves.
Give me content.
What?
Give me content. Do something exciting.
Go give me some gloves. I'm
Okay.
burning my hand up doing this. Look. I'll sit here and touch this. Hi.
We'll be back with the beast in a minute. Okay. So we're running currently to get him some gloves. Out of here, garden ones. Come. Another jump. Cat followed me all the way. Kitties. Be quiet, act like you aren't fed. Act like you aren't fed, kitties. Okay, so we will see you guys in just a few minutes. We have to get this in, find the gloves. Okay, guys, we got everything. We got the drill, we got the gloves. Well, they're doing a bird call, so I think that's why they're coming. Right over me. Pretty nice hawk right there. We got some leather gloves and we got the drill. We're gonna go ahead and bring it to him. Yeah, you bird calling, they all came towards you. That's some good content.
Finally, the leather ones.
We're finally back with the beast.
Where'd you find the leather ones? Where did you find the leather ones?
So, they're actually in a bag on the garage table. Now here,
Where's the other one?
let me see these.
Don't start it up while it's on me.
Okay, Jose, I want you to hold this.
I gotta put my gloves on.
Be my cameraman for a few seconds.
I have to put my gloves on real quick. Fine.
Okay.
Don't
So
put that on.
this-
No, don't put it on yet. Don't turn it on yet, because it's not working. Like, hold this. Hold the
Hold
camera.
on. I'm gonna start it.
No! I still have the freaking the beast.
This kitty needs to get us content. Like and subscribe for this kitty. See, she shook her head yes, and this one. Okay, after he gets his gloves on, I'm gonna take this. There's a little gear back there. You stick it in,
You can't start it up right now.
and you pull it. Start right up. Except this
Put
cat,
that cat down. You're killing her. She's like,
she's like, I'm chillaxing.
can't even move.
She gotta get me out of here.
No, she's actually.
Okay, so we'll just get back with you guys when we have this. Get ready to be started up.
Did that with my chin.
Okay.
All right. So we're getting ready to start this up.
You're gonna take that in. Just hold it up.
Can I bring it to her,
This is
Mommy?
how you start it up. Stick
Yep.
this in the back right here.
There's a slot back there. You just pull it.
Okay, here, record real quick.
Here's the weirdo with... The weirdo now is using the chainsaw. Get the saw, you take the camera. Get out of here. Take the drill.
Okay, so, yeah, that was pretty easy to start up. Cats, eagles, Xavier, and we're gonna wrap this up. We don't want to have guys bored for too long. Like and subscribe at least. See, hold on. What should these people do? Do they like? See, they're all telling you to like and subscribe. We need to give you all away. We're gonna send them to you people in the mail. Just look at this ferocious beast, and then this one, then this one, then that one that ran. Cause this is the garage. We let them out while we're out. So they're all just chilling. Me and my kitties. Me and my waddles. That's Gideon. And Matt's Uncle Stan. Mwah. Okay, guys. So there's a we're gonna do a few more things before the video ends, just to get some more stuff in. I try to record as much as I possibly can pretty soon. I hope actually to have my own YouTube channel and not just be like me featured on here occasionally once a video, but I hope to have my own YouTube channel soon. And when I do, if I do, then hope you all will enjoy the stuff that I will do. But I'm planning that. And so I just try to record as much as I possibly can. Give you guys some good content. Give you guys the things you want to do. Same with Dad, that's what he does. He started the channel, make a little bit of extra stuff, and just to have some fun. So, just through this whole COVID, tell us what you guys have been doing. Down in the comments, like, subscribe, please, and shout out to Connections Academy for school. And peace. It's the Avenge of the Cats.
Coming at you for putting her on YouTube.
I think she's mad at me for putting her on YouTube. There's cats up there. There's cats there. She ran. There's a cat there. It's the Avenge of the Cat. Wow. The Avenge of the Cats.
Are you serious?
Here, I'll start it.
No.
No, just here, you hold it and everything.
Now, how stupid was that?
Okay.
Ready?
Go. Okay, so we just want to show you the Avenge of the Cats, a little short film. Okay, so guys, we're gonna check on the fire real quick. We're gonna run over here, see if it needs any more wood. Holy Mother of God, it needs a lot more wood. I think it's time to resort to the stump. Stump right here. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna pick up the stump. We're gonna put it in there. It's actually a very heavy stump. I hope I can lift it. It's really heavy. We're just gonna try to get it into there. Oh God.
Stop it!
It tipped it.
Huh?
Need the hard grip. Okay, so I put it in there, but the problem is, kind of like did that to it. So today I guess you're gonna try to fix that. Hey, don't put it out, don't put it out. There's Bella, our doggy. Here, try to go home.
That's your fault.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so we were actually able to fix that. My doggy. We were able to fix the problem. I'll just let it burn when you soak the edges around it, and that's gonna be good.